The International Peace College of South Africa, IPSA, is a pioneering tertiary institute based in Cape Town. South Africa's very first registered and accredited Islamic Institute of Higher Learning. IPSA strives to broaden the perspectives and revitalize the faith of our students. Inspired by the rich legacy of Islam at the Cape, IPSA provides a balanced approach to spiritual and academic learning models to propel our students to the forefront of the future.
Firstly, I thought it would be as a spiritual growth for me. That is why I chose them, and Alhamdulillah, it is going well.
My experience at IPSA helped me a lot with understanding the religion, because from what I thought I knew, it felt like nothing when I started learning, and when you start learning you realize how much you don't know.
Even though we're in different classes, we still interact on a personal level.
The things that we study, it really, it answers questions that you never even thought you had.
This is one of the recognized Islamic institutions here in South Africa, so it's actually a 2-in-1. So now you study your deen and you get a qualification on your name.
The lecturers are amazing at IPSA. I can say that they are great. It's something that I have found very different at IPSA compared to other institutions we have been at.
The lecturers at IPSA have quite a wide range of specialities, and where one lecturer teaches you one subject, it doesn't mean that you can only go to him with questions of that subject. You can pretty much go to him with questions of any other subjects, which gives you a much more holistic approach in terms of your studies.
They integrate the academic and Islamic sciences together, which gives you a modern view of Islam in this day and age.
Being at IPSA actually opened my mind. I feel like I learned a lot from IPSA, because I feel like I understand my religion more and I understand people more.
The library is most helpful at IPSA because there aren't many Islamic libraries in Cape Town.
And from there we get all our resources for our assignments and tasks.
Here at IPSA we have many facilities such as the computer lab, the library, but in particular the one facility that is here for us that's on the premises of IPSA is actually the mosque.
You can interact with people the way you want to, but it's better for you to interact with people the way the world wants.
We have visiting lecturers from various institutions, both nationally and internationally, world-renowned scholars who come and address us on certain issues, and I find that that is the priceless resource that we don't really get in many other places.
The students that come from the college, I've seen that they are very, very different from your normal institutions. That played a major role in me applying to the college. I
would like to teach on a greater scale at a tertiary level and teach the deen, inshallah.
Next year, inshallah, I would like to go and study something in the medical field.
I intend to study astronomy after I graduate from IPSA in order to incorporate Islamic values in that subject.
I plan on doing financial management, inshallah.
And I want to be like Arabic expert, because I feel like Arabic is like a deep language.
IPSA has made me a stronger individual, spiritually, mentally, intellectually.
My time at IPSA, which has only been 6 months, has changed my life greatly. Before I came to IPSA, I wasn't a person of deen, I wasn't a person who was upright. But since coming to IPSA, my iman and my faith and my istiqamah has changed so much.
Being at IPSA has taught me to speak up and voice my opinion.
My time at IPSA has changed my life in the way that I've become more steadfast in my prayer, I've become more conscious of Allah, and I've become more understanding of my religion.
It caused me to change my life in so many ways. And so I've become a happier person, and being at IPSA has made me become more comfortable and much happier with the surrounding and the people.
But this is the thing that I chose. This is the thing that no one forced me, and this is the person that I wanted to be.
Naturally just evolving into what I find to be a much better person, a much better father to my children, a much better husband to my wife, a better son to my parents, a better friend to those around me. And I feel that it would not have happened without the guidance of IPSA and the academic staff that they have